Hello YouTube, this is going to be a review of the Husqvarna lawnmower that should have been. They originally sold this lawnmower for about $600 with a Briggs & Stratton 625 EX series engine, 6.25 foot-pounds of torque, and yeah, it lasted about 3 or 4 hours before it hit a log and the crankshaft bent. Normally a flywheel key would break or the blade would bend or something, but this crankshaft is made very cheaply and it bent. So I swapped in from this lawnmower a Honda GCV 160 engine, which Husqvarna used to sell on their lawnmowers in black without the red, of course, and they stopped selling on them. This is the one with the manual choke, but it automatically turns off after you start it up. There's a fuel shut-off valve on it, and this one, because it's from a fancy Troy built that had lots of quirks and features, it has an electric starter, although I do not have a battery or battery box or switch for it, so I'm not going to install that. I'm going to leave it as is. The rest of the mower is stock. It has an all-wheel drive system with belts. The shaft on the GCV 160 is a little bigger than the other one. The one that was on there, I think the other one was 5/8 and this shaft is 7/8 in diameter. So I reused the pulley from the Honda GCV 160, which luckily the belts fit into, not perfectly, but they fit into. When you adjust the tension, you can fit them into this pulley. So it's working for now. It should be good, hopefully, for a while. And even if you need to replace belts, it's better than having a garbage engine on here. So yeah, it's a nice mower. I'll show you how it starts up. So put the choke on, make sure fuel's on, yep. Pull the handle down, and to drive, you got 4-wheel drive. To stop. So all the features work the same as it did before the other engine. In fact, this cable, luckily, is the same plastic clip here that went into the Briggs & Stratton engine, goes into the Honda engine, and it's luckily the same distance here. On the Briggs & Stratton it was over here, on the Honda it's over here. Luckily the cable's a bit longer, so it reaches perfectly this Honda engine. It's like it was designed for this. So this Honda engine's a mid-teens. This lawnmower is a 2019, and hopefully it will last another few years with this engine on it. Hopefully 20 years at least, and we'll see. I did an oil change on the engine, spark plugs changed, it's running good. We'll see how it does in the grass soon. The grass isn't exactly grown enough to cut yet, and we'll go from there. But this is a pretty good lawnmower when you have a good engine on it. I mean, all-wheel drive, it really pulls you and does all the work for you. Has a nice big bag, nice big opening. It's a 2-in-1, so it's better than a 3-in-1 as far as bagging. It should be a nice lawnmower to use, and really enjoyable experience. The engine's takes two pulls, sometimes 3 pulls to start, compared to the other engine would start in like half a pull. But this engine's better quality, and I'm happy it's in there now. Might look a little funny with the red, black, and orange now, but it's better than a broken engine. Anyways, if you want making more YouTube videos, let me know.